PORTER-CABLE PCCK619L8 20V Max Lithium-ion 8-Tool Combo Kit. The PORTER-CABLE PCCK619L8 20V Max 8-Tool Combo Kit provides the tools needed to get the job done. This kit consists of 1/2 drill/driver, 1/4 impact driver, 6 1/2 circular saw, reciprocating tiger saw, jig saw, oscillating multi-tool, cutoff tool/grinder, and LED flashlight. The drill features a high-performance motor and a 2-speed gearbox that delivers the power needed to complete tasks easily. The impact driver offers 1450 N/lbs of torque, and 0 to 2800 rpm, 0 to 3100 bpm. The 6 1/2 circular saw has a high-performance motor that delivers 4000 rpms for aggressive cutting, and a beveling shoe that pivots up to 50 degrees. The reciprocating saw delivers 1 stroke length and 0 to 3000 SPM with a compact design allows tool to reach tight spaces and a tool-free blade release. The jig saw features 3 orbital settings and a variable speed trigger, 0 to 2500 SPM. The oscillating multi-tool also offers a variable speed dial, 8K, 18K OPM, along with a LED work light for better visibility. The cutoff tool operates on a high-performance motor that produces 8500 rpm and has a 3-position side handle for easy of use. And finally, the flashlight has a pivoting head with 4 LED bulbs that delivers 120 lumens. Kit includes PCC601 1/2 drill driver, PCC641 1/4 impact driver, PCC6606 and 1/2 circular saw, PCC670 Reciprocating Tiger Saw, PCC650 Jig Saw, PCC710 Oscillating Multi-Tool, PCC761 Cutoff Tool/grinder, PCC700 LED Flashlight, 1, PCC680 15Ah battery, 1, PCC68540 Ah battery, 1, PCC619L8 AMP charger, 2, kit bags. Performance, delivers power to complete a wide range of job site applications. Ergonomic design, lightweight tools designed to fit the user's needs. Reliability, tools backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Includes, drill driver, impact driver, Circ Saw, Tiger Saw, Jig Saw, multi-tool, grinder, flashlight, 2 batteries, charger, 2 bags. Part of the PORTER-CABLE 20V Max * system. Battery works with all PORTER-CABLE 20V Max * lithium-ion products. PORTER-CABLE PCCK619L8 20V Max Lithium-ion 8-Tool Combo Kit. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.